Last form, I am going to withdraw the amount I've earned from the game I play. I just play a few games and I'm able to reach this particular amount with just a small game that I play. Okay, so let me just place the withdrawal and I will show you the same pattern how I did this with so much ease. Alright, let's just set our bank. Okay, let me set my bank withdrawal. Okay, click on withdraw, add bank. What is the problem with add bank? Add new bank. Okay, let me set my password. So set your bank provider. Let me see. Oh, Pampe is there. Trying to search for my bank. Search for your bank. So immediately you have done that, just confirm it. After I confirm, okay, I've set my bank like that. So let's go to withdrawal and proper. So please withdraw. Okay, my bank has come up. Okay, let me withdraw the amount. Alright, let me put my password. So after putting my password, let me just, can you see there's no fee charges as others do charge. There's no charges at all. So I press okay. So pending review. So once I already pending, okay, let me just show you what I did to earn this particular amount. Okay, let me go straight to my account right now. Let me go straight to my account. You can have multiple accounts as much as you can. If you can just be like me. All right, so let me just use this my account. Okay, so the registration link has been attached. Try and check, register. So just sign up. Okay, once you sign up, so you can keep on signing in later. All right, so this is sure win. You are surely going to win. All right, so the minimum deposit is 2,000 naira. You can deposit as much as possible that you want. 2,000 naira, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. Okay, the more you want to win is the more you deposit, guys. That is it. The more you want to win is the more way you deposit. Okay, so can you see this Telegram? If you want to join their channel, click on this Telegram, chat with their customer care. They will add you straight to their channel. All right, they pick you and add you straight. They don't want it to be commercial channels. Okay, so just check. Let me just play some games and let me show you. You can select game from PG Slow, Pragmatic, as much as you want. Okay, so I'm going to play some game here. All right, let me just pick Fortune Tiger. You know how this thing is done. Okay, just try. Based on the amount of money you put, the higher the money, the better your outcome of winning. Let me just play Fortune Tiger and see my luck with Fortune Tiger. Let's see how it goes. So let's try our luck with Fortune Tiger. Alright, so you can set the amount you want to use. Alright, you can set the amount you want to use here. Alright, your game will be here. Okay, this is the amount I have currently. Alright, so let me see. Once you realize you are not winning, one now. Can you see that? Okay, I just have another to win one now. Once you realize you are not winning, please leave and go and pick another. Okay, 1,000 naira. Okay, I think this is profitable. Let's try one more. Let me try another one. 500 naira. Okay, I think this is profitable. Alright, I can leave this game. I can leave this game. Alright, let me pick another game. Fortune Dragon. Okay, there's some specific game that I know that pays. Fortune. As you can see, this is the reset win. This is my reset win. Okay, so this is my reset win on Fortune Dragon. Alright, so you can just play the game wisely and you're going to win. Okay, you're going to surely win. Okay, alright guys, let's see. Okay, just take the amount your capacity can play. Okay, so just make sure you are following their Telegram channel for more game updates. Okay, so how to deposit? Just deposit, click on deposit. So once we get to deposit area, okay, you can use any of this to make your deposit 2,000 naira. Okay, so I would advise you click I don't need, don't Don't click, just leave it like this. Don't check it. As in, sorry, check it. Check it. I don't need check it, okay? Click on it. Alright. Don't get the bonus. What you have experienced so far is those people with the bonus, they tend to miss games a lot, okay? 2,000, 5,000. So that the higher the game you play, the higher your income, alright? The higher the money you make. Okay. So click on recharge and follow the process. Okay. When you click on recharge, alright. So this is the account you are transferring into. After you have made your pay, you have to come and click I have paid, check now. Okay, so the account will just check for you. Immediately they check for you, you are done. Your money will reflect immediately. If you want to withdraw, it's simple. If you want to place withdrawal, just click on withdraw. Okay, once you click on withdraw, all right, you have to set your login. Your login details, your login is your login password. You have to create a pin. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digit pin. After that, you save it and you can withdraw without charges. Okay, if you want to place withdrawal now, I can place withdrawal without charges. So the former withdrawal I placed has dropped. I don't know why people are not giving me updates. So the payment has dropped. So let's check it out. Let's check the payment out. I will show you how it is being done. Okay, so this is the payment. The payment has dropped. All right, this is the payment. Okay, Paga account, just Paga OTK. So the payment has dropped without any charges. That's the 40,000 I withdraw. So guys, try your luck now. Play this game and let's win more money together. If there's any question, anything, just the registration link is attached and it's pinned on the comment section.